The Essbase database is a multi-dimensional database. That means it has more than two dimensions. It is distinguished from relational or transactional databases in that it has multiple dimensions. Each dimension describes a part of your business, like product, location, time, and some sort of measure like profit, margin, expenses, etc. Each dimension is organized hierarchically. For instance, the time period dimension might have year at the top, followed by quarters within the hierarchy, and then months underneath them. Dimensions are arranged hierarchically so that you can retrieve more detailed information for some dimensions and less detailed information when you need it. To create reports and do ad hoc analysis with Essbase, you must know your database. What dimensions are out there? How are they arranged hierarchically? How do you know what's in your database? Well, you look at what is called the outline. The outline describes the database. What are the dimensions? What is the hierarchy for each dimension? And so forth. And to look at the outline, you can either print it. Actually, the database administrator has to print it for you. Or you can view each dimension individually via a tool called Member Selection. Here is the database outline viewed through the Administrator's tool. Assuming you've already connected your spreadsheet to your database, you can simply use the Essbase Member Selection menu selection to view the outline one dimension at a time. In the Member Selection window, simply select the dimension you want to see, press the highest member of that dimension, in this case year parentheses 4, and then press the Expand to Descendants button. I'll use the Zoom In command to zoom in on the product dimension. Select Product, Essbase Zoom In again. In this case, I received the next level of products in relation to the quarters that I've already zoomed in on. How do you know whether you have aliases or not? One way is to check your outline. Look at the printed output from the outline, and if next to any of the dimension member names, in parentheses it says alias, then guess what? That member has an alias.